National Express. When your life's in a mess, it'll make you smile. All human life is here, from the feeble old deer to the screaming child, from the student who knows that to have one of those would be suicide, to the family man manhandling the pram with paternal pride. And everybody sings, yeah, all right, we're going where the air is free. On the National Express, there's a jolly hostess selling crisps and tea. She'll provide you with drinks and theatrical winks for a sky-high fee. Mini skirts were in style when she danced down the aisle back in '63. But it's hard to get by when your arse is the size of a small country. And everybody sings, yeah, all right, we're going where the air is free. Tomorrow belongs to me.
When you're sad and feeling blue, with nothing better to do, don't just sit there feeling stressed. Take a trip on
The National Express. On the National Express. Let's go.
National Express.